Hi YouTube, welcome to Wez Picks. Bit awkward filming today because I've got the vice set up over there, but this is just to show off, just zoom out a minute, show off these two covert picks. I've got one for European, so picking down Bogota with full tang Lawlock tool steel 301 with an abalone shell handle, and then this one for American or North American picking up. We've got, sorry, I'm trying to film this. I've got this propped on the top of my dust extractor. So we got figured mahogany handles, full tang again, Lawlock tools, steel. So I thought we'd give it a go. We'll do picking down first. We've got in the vise a UAP Euro cylinder. See if we can get into it. It's a bit awkward. I'm going to try not to touch the door. So just gentle strokes, bit of a rocky movement, reset. Reset again. And we're in. Okay. Next one, I've got this beautiful old Corbin rim cylinder. Just change this over quickly so then we can have a go at picking up. Right, so this time we're going to be using this one, and bottom of the keyway. Try and get it in film. And we're in. That was easy, wasn't it? So zoom out again. So there you go. That is the Wez Picks covert picks. Let's get this to focus, with Bogota tips, one for picking down, one for picking up. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you very much.